Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's the 3 months mini braids challenge as usual. So if you've been following me for a while, you know I love to do mini braids challenge in between, my mini twists protective hairstyles. So I'm a mini twist fan, but this time around we're going to be starting the year 2024 with a mini braid challenge, and I'm taking this all the way to 3 months as usual. And I want you guys to come along with me in this journey, because this is going to be a lot of length retention throughout the year. And if you're really serious about growing your hair this year, then you really want to hop on this challenge, because this is a challenge that guarantees a lot of length retention. And of course, length retention is our goal this year. At least it's my goal this year. So I started off this challenge with freshly washed hair, deep conditioned, and I did my protein treatment. If you have not seen those videos, please, I'm going to leave a link in the description box so that you can go watch that full wash day routine, where I did a lot of things just to prepare my hair for this blessed day. I call it a blessed day, guys, because this was like 6 hours thereabouts of installing this mini braid. So I set the timer, and this is past 12 in the afternoon. I started, and I'm going to be going ahead to moisturize my hair, because you don't just want to install that hairstyle without taking your time to properly moisturize your hair. So I'm going to let you guys in on why I'm carrying this plastic bag on my hair. My usual routine is to moisturize my hair with my water, hydrate my hair properly, and I do that section by section, so you guys could see how I was struggling to part my hair. Like, guys, it's no joke. But I tried. I did the best I could. I parted my hair so that it's going to be easy for me to get started with these mini braids, because they're going to be very small, but not that small that I can't manage, but at least a sizable amount. So I went in, spritz my hair with some water, then follow up with my leave-in conditioner, and then my Jamaican black castor oil. Like, if you don't know Jamaican black castor oil, then you're missing a lot. So I did that to seal in the moisture, and then I go ahead with my hair butter. So then I now use my parting comb to part them bit by bit in smaller section. So what you want to do is to make sure that you're braiding from the roots, but not too tight, because this is a lot of mistakes a lot of people do with protective styles, and at the end of the day you just hear them complaining that their hair is not retaining length, protective style is not growing their hair, it damages their hair and stuff like that. So there are do's and don'ts when installing your protective style. But first of all, like I said, it has to begin from your wash day. You have to treat your hair properly, especially if you're going to be leaving your hair for 3 months. Even if it's a month, you have to treat your hair properly before you install that hairstyle. That is why I want you to go and watch my full wash day routine, so that you see how I gave my hair some tender loving care, like TLC, before I started with this day. And I did allow my hair to rest like 2 days or thereabout before I jumped on this hairstyle. So make sure your style is not too tight at the roots. Of course, you want to have a firm grip of your braid, but not too tight. Then another thing I did was to make sure that once I got to at least an inch downward, 2 inch downward, I made sure to twist the ends. So at the end of my braids, you're going to see my ends are coiling up. That's because they are twists on that part. Because if you braid to the end of your hair strands, by the time you're taking this tie down, that is when you know that it's not easy to retain length. So you want to make sure that you twist at least about an inch to 2 inch of your hair, downwards, so that it's easy for you when you want to take down. So that is what I did. And I also moisturize the ends of my hair again. Like, you see me going in with my hair butter to really get that ends moisturized, so that I don't have issues with breakage. So I'm doing this steady by steady. Like, guys, it wasn't easy, but because I'm going to be taking this style for a while, I just had to endure the pain. It wasn't easy, it wasn't funny. My hands were aching. I had some little break in between, just take water, eat, and stuff like that, but not that much, not like more than 10 minutes or so. But I was finally done. Like, guys, I was finally done, and you can see the juicy braids. Look, you can see the juicy braid. Like, who doesn't agree with me that my hair has grown a lot? I've done mini braid challenge for a while, like I did last year, beginning of last year as well. This was not how my braids were looking. Like, you could go back to my playlist and check out those braids. My hair has really improved, and this year, this 2024, I want to make sure that I do it all year round, because we are targeting waist length, and by God's grace, not by my power, we're going to get it done. So I was just admiring my hair. I applied some of the castor oil on my roots, on my scalp, to just make sure that everything is in order. So you see how coily my ends are? That's because I did twist towards the end. And look at the time, guys. Look at the time. Like from 12 till 6. You see that? So it was really time consuming, and I'm not fast with braids like I am with twists, so it wasn't easy. So this is me just grooving and just trying to forget about my pain, trying to forget about my arms hurting. My arms were aching like for 2 days, 3 days. It wasn't funny, like guys, it wasn't funny. But because I know I'm going to take this style for a while, so I just had to take it, because we are in for length retention this year. And if you're game on, kindly let me know in the comment section. You don't have to do braids, you can do twists, whatever protective hairstyle. The main idea of this is just to leave our hair in those protective style for at least 3 months, or a long period longer than that. But I'm going to be, of course, rebraiding my hair maybe 2 months. After this, I'm going to rebraid, and I'm going to take my time to do that. So that is it, guys. I've just shown you how I install my mini braids, ready for the year, ready for 2024, ready for my challenge. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to be doing a weekly or bi-weekly updates on how I take care of my hair in these braids. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.